Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee the easy way. First, ensure you have quality ingredients. Fresh coffee beans and filtered water are essential. Next, select a brewing method that fits your lifestyle, whether it's a simple drip machine or a quick pour-over. Finally, remember to grind your beans right before brewing to capture their freshest aroma and taste. This simple step makes a big difference. Let's explore some popular, easy brewing methods. Drip coffee makers are fantastic for their simplicity and speed, perfect for busy mornings. If you prefer a richer, more robust flavor, a French press is an excellent choice, immersing the grounds completely. For those who enjoy a bit more hands-on control and a clean cup, pour-over brewing is a rewarding option. To truly enhance your coffee's flavor, pay attention to a few key details. Aim for a coffee-to-water ratio of 1:16 for a balanced brew. The ideal water temperature is between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot or too cold can negatively impact extraction. Also, consistently cleaning your brewing equipment prevents old coffee oils from affecting new batches. Now, for the best part, enjoying your perfectly brewed coffee. Don't be afraid to experiment with various roasts and origins to discover new favorite flavors. Customize your cup with milk, cream, or sweeteners to suit your personal preference. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Savor each sip and make your coffee ritual a delightful part of your day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.